Hi guys, this is going to be a quick guide on how to obtain your TikTok stream key. The trick is that not everybody has a TikTok stream key. The criteria seems to vary, but this is how I did it. First of all, big shout outs to TikTok Live with Harry. You can see his page right there. Go ahead and give him a sub. He's the reason I was able to find my stream key to begin with. Go check him out as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just go to your TikTok page and log in. I'm already logged in here. If you can see up in this right-hand corner, you're going to go on View Profile. Then we're going to go over here to Go Live. Here, let me move my picture to over here. Come on over here to Go Live. Click on Go Live. Nothing happened, so I'm going to click on it again. It's taking a while. Okay, it's finally loaded. Now all you want to do is come down to the bottom, click Go Live. This will not actually make you go live. Click your category. It won't go live until you're hooked up to OBS. Click Minecraft or whatever your thing is. Then you're going to click Save and Go Live. Okay, and there you go. Down here is your server URL. And below that, you'll have your stream key. Plug those into OBS and you're good to go. So if you just did all that stuff and you still don't have a stream key, contact an agency, try and get a hold of TikTok on Twitter, start sending them lots of emails. Not gonna lie, it's a little atrocious how they divvy out the stream keys. On the other hand, if you don't have a stream key and you can't get a stream key yet, use TikTok Live Studio. It's awesome. And if you use that, you'll still be able to see all the TikTok animations. If you guys have a stream key or if you don't have a stream key, leave a comment. Let me know how you got that. Also, if you guys wanna know how to plug this into OBS, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll run through a quick tutorial on how to input it into OBS. If you found this information useful, hit that like button. And thank you guys for getting us to 100K subs on YouTube. Bye.